Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here, and I have a ThredUp Rescue. Now this box is heavy, but check it out. Will it fit in the whole frame? See, it's not that big. And this is 15 pairs of shoes that I ordered from ThredUp. This is a rescue shoe box. I'm hoping that I will be able to sell all 15 pairs in my Poshmark and eBay stores. Fingers crossed. Guys, I need some good vibes here. I don't feel real good about this box, and you know why? Because it's so small. I'm hoping to get fall and winter shoes in this box. And just because it's so small, I'm afraid it might be filled with sandals, although it is kind of heavy. And maybe ThredUp is just doing a better job of packing things. I do notice, can you see this right here? It says okay to ship. I've never seen this on any of my rescues before. So I'm thinking maybe ThredUp is stepping up their quality control game. Fingers crossed. Can I get all of you to just cross your fingers and put some good vibes out there that this is going to be a fabulous box. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I love mystery boxes, and I unbox lots of mystery boxes on this channel, and I'm always hoping that I can sell or keep. Honestly, I do keep quite a bit of the clothing and shoes that I get, but that's what I'm hoping for. If I can't keep it for myself, I'm hoping that I can sell it in my Poshmark and eBay stores. And links to everything are in the description box below. If you want to check out my Poshmark closet, please feel free to do so. Check out the links. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside. This box costs $90 for 15 pairs of shoes. That puts the price at about $6 per pair. Now, I do have some credit with ThredUp, so I'm using that credit. Yeah, that's what it says. Rescue shoe box, 25 pairs it says. 25 pairs? Okay, I ordered 15 pair. But let's see. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. And I'm going to put it on the floor. And we got lots of these. All right, the first pair are super cute, so I'm already happy. These are a pair of white leather tennis shoes, and check out the back. They have the snakeskin detail on the back. Now, they're dirty, but not bad. Nothing that a magic eraser can't fix. I think a little bit of smudging right there on that suede. Can you see that they have the studding detail, gold stud detail, and gold lining? Now, these are a brand I've never sold before. I've never worn before. These are Zadig and Voltaire. Can you see that? Oh, Zadig and Voltaire. And I'm guessing these are made in Italy, all leather, super cute. What size? Size 39. I'm going to try these for myself. We'll see. I'm excited about those. Okay, thank you. Your good vibes are working. OMG, look at these. Look, okay, this is a pair of Vans, lace-up Vans, but they are 101 Dalmatians. Oh my gosh. Okay, these, look at the soles. Look at the condition. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited. They're kind of big. These are a woman's 11. So I'll list them as a woman's 11. You know that Vans are unisex. These are incredible. I love these. Okay, the next pair is Michael Kors. Is it Michael Kors? Michael Kors. And these are a pair of heels. Now, I can tell by looking, these are a large. These are not a large. They're a size 10, which is nice. So they look like this. I haven't been selling a lot of heels lately, but so they have an ankle strap, and that's kind of what they look like. How do the heels look? The heels look excellent. Maybe a little bit of scuffing on that one there, but they look pretty good. There are some toe marks, so these have been worn. This is what the soles look like. These are okay. They're okay. Michael Kors doesn't move as fast as I wish it would, but those are good. The size is great. Who are you? Anne Klein. Okay, these are dusty. Anne Klein, size 7. These are just a little booty. They look like a comfort booty, and they're in excellent condition. You can see that. They have this elastic goring, so you know they're going to be super comfortable. Yeah, the condition on these is really nice. I'm guessing these probably came from like Marshall's or something. They do have a sticker residue on them. So, okay, I'll sell these. They're in great shape. Okay, next up is a espadrille wedge. And these are really lightweight. So they kind of feel kind of cheap. Look at this really long. This must be a go around the ankle like twice type shoe. Something like that. I don't see a size on these. And I don't see a brand on these. So I'll try them on, and I don't know if I'll even list them. They're in really good shape. They do, I think someone probably got them from Goodwill, because I can kind of see right there where they didn't quite get all of the price tag off. I don't know. These may be a redonate or see if any of my nieces want them. It's really hard to sell shoes that don't have a brand or a size, so we'll see about those. All right, next up is a pair of fringy moccasin booties. I'm guessing these, look at them. They're so cute. These are Minnetonka, and they're in, oh, okay, there's a little fraying right here on the boot. Can you see that? So, yeah, I'll singe that off. But other than that, these are in excellent shape. I have really, really good luck selling Minnetonka boots. So let's see if the zippers work. Zippers work great. I wonder if these are comfortable. I've never received a pair in my size, but yeah, okay. I like Minnetonka. Did I mention that this box came from Pennsylvania? If I didn't, this came from Mechanicsburg. And okay, these shoes, okay, I'll just show them to you and see what you think. These shoes have seen better days. Can you see the toes on them? They're kind of discolored. And you can see that they've been worn. They do have a leather bottom. It feels like a leather bottom, and really cool block heel there. These are made well. What size? I wonder what size. They look to be about a size 7. I don't see the size on, oh, it does. It says size 7, but made well. You see that? Do I have it the right way? Made well. Sorry, guys. I'm going to take some Doc Martens Wonder Balsam to these and see if I can shine them up. But they just looked like they're kind of discolored. I don't know. I don't know about these. I think they're a super cute style. I love that they're kind of a mustard colored. They're all leather. Somebody might want them. I love the heel. Almost a marbling effect on the heel. But yeah, they've seen better days. All right, next up is a sandal. Well, it's not really a sandal. It's a closed toe, ankle tie sandal that looks like this in a taupe color. It's a nice size. I can tell that. What size? Let's see. This is a size 10 and Lucky brand. You can see there. It is leather. So kind of a taupe color. Yeah, these have been worn, and probably once they're stuffed, and I might even steam those toes to get the wrinkles out of the toes. Well, okay. Lucky does okay for me. Lucky brand does all right. Oh, these are funky. Oh, they're Kate Spade. Look at this pointy toe tennis shoe. Super cute. These are Keds Kate Spade. They are in a pink with almost a coral color ribbon on them. And look at that. Look at the soles. I mean, these look barely worn. Barely worn. What size? Do we have a size? Let's see. These are a size 9, it looks like. Yeah, size 9 in really super condition. Kate Spade. Super cute, kind of retro with that pointy toe. I like that. Ooh, okay. So I do see a little dirt and little staining right there. So hopefully maybe a Tide stick will get that out. But yeah, okay, these are nice. Next pair of Adidas. These are the Adidas Superstar. They're in a teeny tiny size. Again, maybe and with some hair in them. Oof. And they look like they're in really good shape. They're just small. What size? Size 5.5. So yeah, one of my nieces may score some Adidas. I don't know if my nieces wear Adidas. I mean, these are kind of just classic. Is that what they were called? I forgot. The Superstar. So yeah, in great shape. That's what the soles look like. Okay. Okay, so the next pair are kind of like a sock. Like, you see that? That's like a sock-like sneaker slip-on, and they're by the brand FitFlop. I thought it's sorry, they're FitFlop. You can see it better in there. FitFlop. So I have never sold these. I see this brand at the thrift all the time, and they're normally marked up. So I've never experimented with these. I hear that some people have good luck with them. I don't see a size. Are these a size? I can't read the size, guys. Sorry. Let me try them on. So I tried these on, and they are a size 8. The size is in there. I will check with my glasses on, but these are kind of cool. I think I might try these for myself so that I can have a better understanding about this brand. If I don't love them, I will list them for sale in my Poshmark closet. We're getting down to the bottom of the box. I can guarantee there are not 25 pairs of shoes in this box. The next pair that I have are a pair of booties. There's some dings on them. Some dings right here on the heel, but they look like just a black leather bootie. The brand is Clark's. I'll show you there because I don't know if you'll see on the inside. I don't know. I don't see a size right off. They look like a size 7, maybe a 6.5. Yeah, they're in decent shape. I'll be able to sell these. So really cute double buckle detail and the interior zip. So these are nice. Oh my God, I love these shoes. I love these shoes, but I'm afraid these are men's. These are a blue leather Oxford, and yeah, these are men's. These are a size 7.5, and they're large. I can tell these are too big for me, and I wear a 7.5 or an 8. So these are definitely a men's shoe. They're really nice. I mean, look at the condition on these. So a 7.5 men's is super small too for a men's shoe. You know, I have received a pair of men's shoes in several of my boxes. It seems like ThredUp is sending more. They don't accept men's clothing, so you can buy them in the rescue boxes because people send men's anyway. But okay, all right. Well, I'll give these a try. Okay, the next pair of shoes looks like this. This is a brand I love to sell. It does really well for me. The brand, you're not going to be able to see the inside. It's almost worn off. The brand is Naote. And these are like a slip-on clog style shoe. They do have almost a burgundy colored trim on them, so that's really nice. I think I'm looking at the bottoms of these, and normally this dot would have the size on them, but it's almost like it's melted off. I can see a 2. Maybe they're a size 12 or a 42. They are a larger size, but I can't even read it on the interior. So the shoes themselves are in great shape. I'm going to have to figure out what size they are. This is the last pair of boots, and these look so similar to a pair of Franco Sartos I received in my last box. So look how cute these are. Now, this is completely a Kelly boot. I love patent leather, and they have the gold stud detail around them. This is what the toes look like. The heels. They're a Chelsea bootie with all patent leather and the gold stud detail on the outsole, and then the elastic goring here. This is such a pretty shoe. Who are you? Let me see. It's not Franco Sarto, but I'm not going to be able to share it with you because it's black and embossed on top of black. This is a brand I've never heard of before. It's NURSACE. Nurse. I'm going to show you the bottom. I don't know. Can you see it on the bottom there? Oh my gosh. Guys, I just painted my nails and they're not all the way dry, but notice they match my sweater. Okay. I don't even see a size on these. No size, which is a problem. Oh. Okay, I'm looking. The heels are a little beat up. There's also, there's some dinging there on that patent leather. That's a shame. That's awful. And as I look at them, they do have some condition issues on them. I hope this is a great brand. Yeah, it's tough to sell shoes with no size. These are really cute. really cute. I wish they were my size, but I can tell they're too small for me. So, okay, that's everything that I received in my box. Count everything. That quality control sticker worked. I received all 15 pairs. I'm pretty pleased with this bag. There were really no showstoppers. I mean, did you think there were? I don't know all the brands, so maybe I received some gold and I'm just not sure. You'll know before I know because I will include the comps in this video so you can see the types of items you can expect to get in mystery rescue boxes from ThredUp. But guys, it is always a gamble. The shoes have been my most consistent profit makers for me with ThredUp. I'm kind of done with the clothing. They are way too risky for my risk level. So I'll show you my favorites. I love the Vans, the 101 Dalmatian Vans. These are so cute and I think they're going to sell rather quickly. I also really like the Zadig Voltaire. Yeah, I like these shoes. I like these shoes for myself and the FitFlops. These are my size and I'm going to, I'm going to give these a try for myself. I like some of the other shoes. I'm very happy with the sizes I got. I got a couple small sizes, but for the most part, I received plenty of size 10, size 11, larger sizes, which I prefer to sell. They do better for me. So let me know what you think of this box, what your favorite pair is. Have you been getting ThredUp boxes lately, and how are they working out for you? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and tap that bell. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Blessings to all of you.